Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video we're going to be talking about a Bitcoin crypto winter. So with China saying that they're not allowing institutional investors to basically trade cryptos, cryptos, that's a really big chunk of the market, because China has a lot of rich people. And the fact that, I think in Hong Kong there is more billionaires in Hong Kong than in the entire world right now. Why? Because Hong Kong has very little taxes. Their tax rate is very low. At least that's what my friend told me. I mean, I didn't actually do any research into this. That's what he just told me. But Hong Kong is linked to China, and the fact that, people in China can't, like rich people, institutions can't trade cryptos, could lead to a crypto winter. Right now there's a lot of active buying from retail investors, but retail investors won't be able to bring cryptos to that 100 200k mark. We need the world to buy into crypto. We need everybody to buy into cryptos. And with what happen if more regulations and restrictions come out for crypto throughout the world, like in Europe and US? We could lead to further declines in crypto. So Bitcoin and Ethereum and all the other cryptos is very dangerous in my opinion. And in my opinion only, I think that retail investors don't control the market. We like to believe we do, but I don't really think so. That is my opinion. So Voyager Digital, the CEO, came out and says that there's been a ton of activity on their platform and on other platforms, and he's seen like huge amount of money come in, and more active accounts being open, trading cryptos, and that's the word, trading cryptos, right? They buy the dip, sell the rip, make the money, and but I still feel like institutions and hedge funds are going to, that's exactly what they're going to do. They're going to trade cryptos, and I still think that Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are going to go down further, and it's probably going to stay down there for a while. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe next week or a month from now, we'll see cryptos back at 60k, and you can come back at me and laugh and say you're an idiot. Look at that, crypto is back to 60k. Or in a month from now, we can see cryptos sitting at 20k, 30, between 20 to 30k. Only time will really tell, but I've experienced, like this morning I was looking at my cryptos on my platform, and I was experiencing massive lag on the platforms that I'm using for crypto trading. So obviously there's a lot of retail investors that are actively trying to buy this dip, causing a huge influx of lag and volatility. So it is what it is, but and Bitcoin is bouncing back really nicely. This whole crash was, it feels like a buying opportunity, but right now it's sitting at 39k, 40k. Seems a little dangerous to buy it here, because it's been sitting here for like a good couple days. Could it go back to 40k, 45, 50k? Sure. But China is no longer involved in this. China's a big part. China has a lot of money. Maybe that's not going to stop institutions in China, because China is a corrupted country and they're going to figure a way to trade cryptos anyways. Who knows? We'll find out in a couple weeks. If I'm wrong, then I'm wrong. But if I'm right, then it creates even a better buying opportunity, at least in my opinion. Wish I bought some early in the morning, like right in the morning. I wish I was like up early in the night and just bought a little bit of the dip, wait for the rip, and then right here I think would be a good selling opportunity. But that's my opinion, not financial advice. Please don't take anything I say as financial advice. Ethereum is down right now, but it, like if you look from like the Ethereum, the Bitcoin, Ethereum, they all look the same. They had a dip, and then they rallied, and now they're falling back. Dip, and then now it's pulling back a little bit. Ethereum, and then VGX, same thing, big dip, big rally, and now it's pulling back. The Shiba Inu is the same thing, big dip, rally, and now pullback. So does it it just kind of, it makes no sense to me that retail investors are the ones that are controlling this market, because it just feels like there's some robots involved in the volatility of these stocks, or these coins. Dogecoin is the same thing. Big dip all the way down to 27 cents, 26 cents, 27 cents. And then a massive rally all the way up to 42 cents. And now a pullback to 38 cents. Huge amount of volatility in Dogecoin. And the chart all feels the same. Coinbase right now is it was under a lot of pressure this morning, but it's starting to be bought back up. We'll see where that goes. In my opinion, though, Coinbase and Voyager should go up in theory, because they're getting a huge amount of business from retail investors coming in and buying this dip. So we'll see. I mean, it's tough because there's also shorting in the crypto market. It's not just you can buy and it just goes up. No, there's people on the opposite end betting against your stock too. So once they see there's always bet against your crypto. There's always a yin to a yang for everything. Just saying. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Oh man, I got like another 30 seconds to go. I don't really know what else to talk about, but my gamble is that it's not going to go back to 52-week high. My gamble is that it's going to be volatile, but it's going to continue its movement down. Even from like a charting perspective, it looks like it's crashing right now. So we'll see. Only time will really tell anyways. The overall market is probably red today. Let's just look. Wow, it's actually recovering pretty nicely. Interesting. So yeah, oil's bouncing back. Gold is doing pretty decent today. But yeah, it looks like all the entire stock market is bouncing back, and Bitcoin is also bouncing back. But we'll see. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.